Alright, so today I'll be walking you on 5th Avenue. Super windy out today. Get out of the wind. Press this. So today is Friday, November 18th, I think. I'm not sure. But as you can see, 5th Avenue is pretty much tore up for new pavers. Typically doesn't look like this, but looks really nice with the old pavers, but the new ones, they look fine too. This place here is pretty popular. Chapultepec, they have like 3 or 4 locations here. Cheap beers and everything on the menu is just a little bit over $1. I started on 6th Street, and maybe we'll walk to like Constituyentes, which is a main road that runs to the beach. This is another pretty popular place called Fa. Yeah, they're actually doing quite a bit of work. Down the road I took you last time, Zenzi's down here. It has been picking up as far as tourism. Yesterday I saw a whole crowd of them come through. Yeah, you could tell because they have their luggage with them, but they are getting work done here. Nice big mall area here. Kind of see them almost prioritizing certain streets or certain sections, finishing up a little bit earlier than others. I don't know why that is. Taco City, this is pretty popular with all the tourists. Eating at this place here. Almost 1 year ago I was here. Portion of the mall here. Just like any other mall, but this one just happens to have a restaurant. I think it's what is it, the Thompson Hotel? And then there's a restaurant on top. But I walk through here during the night sometimes, and it's starting to fill up with people. People are starting to come in. Let's see, this is the old bricks, the old pavers, which I liked a lot. This is the popular bench that everybody takes their pictures with. Each block has probably about 30-40 restaurants of almost every type. It's another mall. As you can see, most of these are open concept malls. Pretty much all the American brands are here. And this area gets packed. They put a tree right here during the Christmas time. It's pretty early still. It's about 8:30. Right down there they have Panama Jacks and the Hilton. I won't walk down there today though. Get back on 5th here. Walk a little bit further down here for you guys. See, there was absolutely nothing wrong with the old pavers here. The new ones they're putting down, I see some starting to crack already. I think it's just the size of them. There's some heavy foot traffic. But I don't want to make this video too long, so this is the end of it here. And I don't know what street this is. Senior Frogs there. Maybe one more street. La Fisheria. This is supposed to be another pretty nice place to eat. I don't think they're open till lunch though. Another thing with Frogs is this place gets pretty busy with tourists also from local resorts. And believe it or not, they have an Irish pub here called McCarthy's Irish Pub. People setting up their vending carts. Let's walk down this road here. I'll take you for a little bit of a longer walk next time when it's not so windy and you can actually hear me. I believe it's supposed to be a nice cold front coming through this week, along with some rain, a little bit of rain, then the cold front comes through. But when I say cold front, I'm talking maybe low 70s. This 10th Avenue here, I prefer walking on this street. I think we'll cut it out from here. So this is 22nd Street here. I'll take you guys for a little bit of, maybe I'll do a section at a time. I don't want these videos to be super long because it takes me such a long time to upload to YouTube. But this is 10th Avenue. And I'll see you guys next time.